Hello everyone and welcome to 2-Minute Info. In today's video, we're going to be back on Scratch, but there's a twist. Today, we're going to be exploring new blocks, but in a project. Not the Scratch project right here, but the project in which you're meant to do something, like you're assigned a project. You might think it's very hard, but it's not. I'm going to show the solution to the project, but if you want to do the project before, then you're free to go and try it by yourself. The project is that when I press the space bar, I want the Scratch cat to move 10 steps forward. If I'm not pressing the space bar, then I want the cat to move 10 steps backwards. Let's try it. Right here, you can pause the video and go and try it by yourself. But if you want to see the solution, then stay tuned. Let's start with the when green flag clicked block. You might not want to start with it every time in a project, but to make things nice and easy, I'm going to use this block. Now, we're going to grab a block that says when key space pressed. That's in sensing. Sorry, not the one that you see over here. Where is it? Here. But over here. There are two different blocks and we can explore the other one in later videos, but today I'm going to be using this as this is more easier and convenient to use. So let's grab this block. What does that mean? It's very straightforward. It's just that if I press this spacebar, then what will happen? Let's try to snap it in here. Oh, it doesn't snap. Well, it's because that this is a different type of block. It needs another block to go on it. So let's make that simple. What I mean is that you see these hexagonal shapes over here? These blocks can go in there, but they can't snap into these type of blocks, and these type of blocks. So let's grab one of them. In this case, we're going to use the if and then block. Okay, let's move this across and snap that in now. Now let's try to put this in there. Okay, now what does this say? If key space pressed, then what will happen? Well, what was our project? Our project was that I want the scratched cat to move 10 steps forward, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So let's go in motion and move 10 steps. Let's grab that. Okay, so that's what we've got. So to explain the code, I'm gonna just say it. So when green flag clicked, meaning when I click this flag, this green flag right here, it's kind of like the start button or the go button. Then if key space pressed, then move 10 steps. This is like English, but I'm gonna explain that. If I press the space bar, then I want the scratch cat to move 10 steps forward. Okay, this is not exactly what we wanted, but this is the starting point. So let's run it and press. Why doesn't anything happen? Okay. For this, you just need to keep pressing the flag and then press the spacebar. Because if we release this go button or the start button or the green flag, then this code won't work. We want to keep pressing it. How can we not press it, you might ask? We can explore that more in the later videos because this is just the part 1 of this project. But for today, I'm just gonna leave it there for you and we can see it on the future videos what else we can do. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to check out the part 2 or the later coming videos, I will link that in the description box below when it's uploaded. Okay, for then, we'll see each other later. Bye bye.